Welcome, my dear student, in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are discussing about worksheet number 6, that is related to find the value of x and to check which number is greater, rational number. So today we are going to arrange them ascending and descending order. First ascending order. Ascending orders means first we are writing smallest value, then greater, then greater, then greater, as you are standing in morning assembly. First who is smaller in height, then taller, then taller, then taller. And descending is reverse. First taller, then smaller, then smaller. In this way we are going to arrange today the rational numbers in ascending and descending order by using our LCM method. So let's take your question number 4. Arrange the following in the ascending order. First part we have 4 upon 7, next is 5 upon 9 and 2 upon 5. This is first question. We have 3 rational number. Our task is to arrange them in ascending order. That means we need to arrange first smaller, then greater. And second part is minus 3 upon 4, minus 5 upon minus 12, and last is minus 7 upon 16. So my dear student, your first task in such question is convert the question into standard form. So the first part already in standard form, so there's no need to change it in standard form. So let's take denominators. What are the denominator in first question? You can see 7, 9, 5 are the denominator. We need to take LCM of this denominator. By taking LCM, you will get answer 315 as I did in rough area. So 315 is our answer. That means we need to convert all the denominator into 315. So let's see how I did. 4 upon 7 multiplied by 45 and 45. This is the number required to make 7 is equals to 315. And 4 into 45 is 180. Next is 5 upon 9. You need to multiply it. It becomes 35. 5 ja 175 and 9 into 35, it becomes 315. Then last 2 upon 5 is multiplied by 63 upon 63. 63 into 2, 126, and 5 into 163 is 315. After making all the denominators same, you need to check which number is smaller here. You can see smaller is 126, then after then 175, then 180. So just see, in the same way we need to arrange the numbers. So in the last line you can write ascending order of the given question 4 upon 7, 5 upon 9 and 2 upon 5 is. So first 126 answer is coming with 2 upon 5. So first number is 2 upon 5. Then 175 is coming with 5 upon 9 and last is 4 upon 7. In this way you can solve this question. So let's see next one. In the same similar way to make you this concept clear, when sometime it is not in standard form questions, then convert them into standard form. Here you can see minus 3 upon 4, minus 5 upon minus 12 and minus 7 upon 16. In the second part 2 times minus sign is there. That means we need to remove sign from the denominator. That is conversion of standard form. So after that, once again similar method. Take the LCM of denominator 4, 12 and 16 as I did in rough area. You will get 48. So now your task is to convert all the denominator into 48. First is 4 minus 3 upon 4. 4 is in denominator. Then you can multiply 4 by 12. 12 4 ja 48 and 12 3 ja 36 with minus sign. Then next is denominator 12. That means I need to multiply only by 4. 5 4 ja 20 and 12 4 ja 48. Next we have minus 7 upon 16. Now 16 is in denominator. Then check the table of 16 where 48 is coming. So it is coming with 3. 16 3 is 48 and 7 3 is 21. Now next task, as I told you, just arrange them in smaller, greater and greater. So here in general 36 is the greatest counting, but as we are applying minus sign, so it becomes smallest one. After then 21 is also minus, so it is also smaller, and 20 is the greatest number here. Arrange accordingly. Hence ascending order of the given question is, first I need to check where is 36 answer. It is with minus 3 upon 4. Write this one first, 3 upon 4. Then where is minus 21? It is with minus 7 upon 16. Then second is minus 7 upon 16. Third is minus 5 upon minus 12. So this is the ascending order. Once again I am telling you, ascending means first we need to write smaller answer, then greater number. So in this way we can arrange the given rational number in their ascending orders. Now let's take descending order. Here we need to do reverse. Similar way, first we need to write standard form. If there is a minus sign in denominator, try to remove that and keep it in numerator. You can see I did changes. In one change is required in this first part, that is 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 2, 8 upon minus 15 and 3 upon 10. How to remove this minus sign? This I shared with you in previous classes. Convert this, or you can multiply this 8 upon minus 15 by minus 1. So it become minus 8 upon 15. Now check once again LCM method. 2, 5, 15 and 10 we have. Take LCM of these all. You will get LCM equals to 30. As I did in rough area, after calculating LCM, your task is to convert all the denominator is equals to 30. So first number we have 2 upon 5. Multiply this by 6 and 6. 5, 6 is 30. 6 to the 12. Next we have 2. Then we can do 15 to the 30. 15 1 is 15 with minus sign. Once again, next one we have 15. Then we can multiply 15 by 2. And 8 is 16. Last we have 10. Table of 10, it is clear to all. 10 3 is 30. So now after making all the denominator equal, our next task is to check which digit is greater here. This time we are doing descending order. That means first we need greater number. So greater number is 12. Rest all number have negative sign. And then minus 9. Then minus 15 and minus 16. As the number is greater in with the negative sign, its value is smaller. So now accordingly you can arrange once again. Descending order of the question is 2 upon 5, minus 3 upon 10, minus 1 upon 2 and minus 8 upon 15. Similarly we can take second part. Once again first task to write in standard form. If any denominator containing negative sign, convert it into numerator, or both term containing negative sign, that means we need to cancel the negative. Then next step similar. All the denominator 10, 15, 35, take their LCM, it become 30. In the same way as I calculated in rough area. So you can calculate. After calculating LCM, you can find out its value by converting all the denominator equals to 30. First is minus 7 upon 10. That means 10 is in denominator. So in a table of 10 you can do 10 3 is 30. 7 3 is 21. Next is 15. 15 2 is 30. 8 2 is 16. Next already 30 we have. That means we need to multiply by 1. 19 1 is 19. 31 is 30. Then next we have 5. 5 6 is 30. 6 is 12. Now arrange them in a greater, smaller and smaller number. You can see, my dear student, here 19 is the greatest counting and number. Then 12, then minus 16, then minus 21. Arrange the question accordingly. That is descending order of the question. 19 upon 30, minus 2 upon minus 5, minus 8 upon 15 and minus 7 upon 10. In this way you can arrange in descending order. I hope so, my dear student, you are able to understand this concept of ascending and descending order of rational number. Thank you so much.